Hey everyone! The Motorola Razr 70 is shaping up to be an important evolutionary step for Motorola's modern flip phone lineup, especially as the company looks to build on the momentum of the Razr 60. While Motorola has not officially announced the device yet, its recent appearance in the UAE's TDRA certification database strongly suggests that a global launch is not far away. Identified by the model number XT2657-8, the Razr 70 is expected to retain the iconic clamshell foldable design that has defined the series, while refining key aspects that matter most to everyday users. Although the certification itself does not reveal hardware details, industry leaks and expectations paint a fairly clear picture of what Motorola is aiming for with this generation. The main foldable display is rumored to measure around 6.9 inches and use LTPO technology, which would allow for adaptive refresh rates and better power efficiency. This would keep the Razr 70 competitive with other premium flip phones, delivering smooth visuals while conserving battery life when high refresh rates are not needed. On the outside, the cover display is expected to grow to approximately 3.63 inches, which would make it more functional than ever. A larger external screen would allow users to handle notifications, quick replies, navigation, and even some apps without opening the phone, reinforcing the idea that the Razr can be both stylish and practical. Motorola has consistently invested in making the cover display more useful with each generation, and the Razr 70 is likely to continue that trend with improved software integration and usability. Performance-wise, the Razr 70 is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400X chipset. If true, this choice suggests Motorola is prioritizing smoother day-to-day operation, thermal control, and battery life, which are crucial factors for slim foldable phones. While it may not target hardcore gaming enthusiasts, it should be more than capable of handling multitasking, social media, photography, and productivity tasks. Battery life has always been a point of scrutiny for flip phones due to their compact form factor, and the rumored 4,500 mAh battery would be a welcome upgrade. Combined with LTPO display technology and an efficient chipset, the Razr 70 could deliver noticeably better endurance than its predecessor. Fast charging support is also expected, helping offset any limitations by allowing users to quickly top up when needed. In terms of cameras, Motorola is likely to stick with a dual rear camera setup, which has become standard for the Razr series. Motorola has been steadily improving its camera software across its lineup, so even without drastic hardware changes, the Razr 70 could deliver more consistent and reliable photography, especially for casual and social media use. Beyond raw specifications, the Razr 70 is also expected to benefit from refinements in hinge design and overall durability. Subtle design tweaks, better materials, and improved resistance to wear could make the device feel more premium and robust in everyday use. Overall, the Motorola Razr 70 appears to be a thoughtful upgrade rather than a radical de-design. With a larger and more capable cover display, an efficient foldable-focused chipset, improved battery capacity, and refinements to cameras and hinge mechanics, it aims to deliver a more polished and practical flip phone experience. If Motorola prices it competitively and delivers solid software support, the Razr 70 could be a strong contender in the increasingly crowded foldable flip phone market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.